Have you ever thought about shopping from a live stream? Well, pay attention as I'm about to tell you the next big thing in the e-commerce world. Livestream shopping, and it's revolutionizing the way we shop online. Let's take a deeper dive into it. First point, what is livestream shopping? It's a blend of live video and e-commerce, offering an interactive platform where you can showcase products and engage directly with your audience worldwide. Second point, why is it crucial? Live stream shopping not only boosts customer engagement but also drives sales. With compelling content and real-time interaction, you can see conversion rates soar. So if you are ready to leverage this trend, partner with us and transform your e-commerce strategy. Contact us now to get started and discover more on our blog. You can find the link below and don't miss out on the future of shopping.